Hi, I'm a mobility consultant at Freedom Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to use your belts and how to attach them to your wheelchair. So this is the Freedom Motors Quick Secure Retractable Restraint. You see that there's a lot of length to the belt. It self-tensions, and we have a release button that's red. When you press it, you'll see that it goes in and out really easily. This is the quick connect fitting that attaches to the floor. At the top here is you have your connection for your lap belt, and on the side you have a winder that allows you to tighten the belt even more. You don't need to use it, it's just there if you want a bit of extra tightness. Hi, so I'm in the vehicle now and I'm just going to show you how to connect the fitting to the floor. You'll notice that there are 4 points if you've got the manual restraints in the car. We recommend keeping the front ones already connected. They're not going to be in your way when putting in and out the wheelchair, and it just makes your life easier not having to connect all 4. You'll notice on the floor when you're looking at your fitting that there's a lip here. This will stop the restraint from falling off during travel, which means you need to add it to the side. It's super easy, you can do it with one hand. Slide, turn, pull. Okay, now we're going to show you how to attach it to the wheelchair. So first of all, you want to bring your client in. Make sure you put their wheelchair on lock. Alright, now that you've locked your wheelchair, you want to attach your front restraints. Please remember that if your wheelchair has dedicated restraint points, to add the restraints hooks to those points. If they don't, make sure you put it on the strongest area, maybe on a 45-degree angle. So first what you want to do is you want to grab your restraint, pull out the hook as far as it goes, and attach it to the strongest point. In this case, here. Now we're going to repeat the same process, but on the other side. Grab your restraint, pull it out, attach it to the strongest point. It will self-tension. So if you happen to have front electric restraints in your vehicle, you need to connect them to your wheelchair, just like the manual restraints. They self-tension like the manual restraints, so when you're adding them to your wheelchair, you need to make sure that you turn the button on. The button is yellow. You turn it on, you'll hear a slight sound. You take your electric belts out of the housing, and you'll notice at this moment while they're on, they don't self-tension. You want to bring them all the way out to your wheelchair, connect to your strongest part, just like the manual restraints, you want to bring them in, put your brakes on, turn the belts on so they start self-tensioning, and then you want to connect your manual restraints. Then you're going to do the backs. This time we're going to connect them. Put it to the side, attach, turn, pull on a 45-degree angle, attach them on. Then you can do it to the other side. Angle, turn, pull, let go. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that all 4 points self-tension, so you've got a tight fit. Take your wheels off brake, and you want to just push forward a little bit and back, just so that the front and the back all tighten up. So now I'm going to show you the lap belt. You'll notice that in the middle, it's just like a normal seat belt. Press the button, it connects. It has a female and male end. Put it together, you're good to go. You'll also notice that it has a little extra connection here. This is for your lap sash, which I will show in a moment. You'll notice on the end, it has a connection like this. This is the part that connects to the lap belt connector on your restraint. All you need to do is bring it over to the belt, right here, attach it, and pull. Then we do the other side, attach and pull. Then all you need to do is bring this around the seatbelt to the customer and connect and tighten. So now that the wheelchair occupant is nicely buckled up in their chair, I'll show you how to use the lap sash. If you have a lap sash in your car, they'll be either hanging from the ceiling like this or be connected to the side. You'll see, just like our lap belt, it has a connection that will attach it to the lap belt. All you need to do is pull it out over here and connect. And you're good to go. To release your restraints when you want to pull someone out of the car, all you need to do is press your release button to loosen up your belt. This will stop the self-tensioning. Pull off, turn, disconnect. Do that to all 4 points. So I hope this demonstration was informative. If you have any other questions, please call us at our head office.